Hey, it's Darren. I'm getting excited for the CultureCon AI Summit happening in April. I'm going to be leading a pre-conference workshop like we usually do before CultureCon. That's going to really get you catapulted into the conference, get you connecting with really interesting people and really human focus, right? Even though this is an AI Summit, it's a rare moment to get people like you in the room together. So you're going to get to really know a lot of people at that experience. And we're going to zero in on, hey, maybe the challenges that you'd like to bring, the opportunities you see related to AI in your organization, your culture. I might show you all kinds of different ways I'm using AI. Even in the workshop, there might be 20 different ways, little things that we can do to make a big difference for the people that are there, really help them. So I always bring a design thinking, kind of human-centered approach to these sessions. So, the thing that I've been hearing from a lot of people is about AI adoption. How do we help people in our organization adapt to this change and start learning AI, using it, helping each other with it, getting results from it? It's a huge thing. That's maybe the thing that you've been hearing too. Is at first it was all about the technology, maybe a few years ago. And now it's kind of like, okay, it's a change leadership issue now, AI adoption. Right, so that's maybe what people will want to work on. We'll see when they get there. And I've been making things in the meantime. I'm trying to eat my own dog food here and use AI to do things, learn things, especially for this group. Something I got excited about the other day was vibe coding and creating this AI change leadership toolkit. So this will be something that we'll give to our participants. Maybe we'll just make something right there based on what they're hearing about from others and are interested in. So, the other month I had a big event to lead for an organization, maybe 100 people, kind of their big event for the year. And it was about, their strategy and what is the big changes they need to lead. And of course, AI was up there. So I got deep into a lot of these classic change leadership books, Kotter's Leading Change, of course. I love the Immunity to Change book from Keegan and Leahy, Switch, Dan and Chip Heath, all these books. Even motivational interviewing, learning from a lot of colleagues I have in the change management, change leadership world, right? So I've had to get into that. How do you design a workshop from that? How do you assess your own readiness for change for AI? So this is something I just vibe coded with AI, this app, and kind of exciting. So that's an example of something that we will have in our workshop. So just a little overview, and there might be 20 other things like this that I'll create and give and share and show. So that is the CultureCon AI Summit coming up in April. Just talking about the pre-conference workshop I'm designing and getting ready to lead.